here, and I'll be teaching you, I'll be showing you how to trade forex with confidence and simplicity. However, in today's class, I will show you and give you what we call market outlook, more of like an update, what to expect in the market for this new week. Don't not forget, this is the time we come to the market every weekend to give you an expo, to give you an insight, to give you what markets would possibly do for the following week. And amazingly, God faithfully, it has always been going our direction and our bias. Last week, do not forget, I gave out about 6 to 7. Almost everything played out accordingly. Let's do a brief recap. Those ones I could still remember. I told the market was around here last week. This on Euro card, and I told you that I should complete the stuff at this point. That at this area, I'll be looking at this inside this my psychology level. I'll be looking for a short. And do not forget, I shorted. Later on, I short when I got my confirmation here. I shorted. That is from that. For AUD card, what I gave you last week. I also gave you an insight. I also gave you another what market will be doing for a long. Imagine this one, if you're able to milk it with us, this is about 90 pips or so. I told you that if once market breaks, I draw this my line, and our market was around here. I said if it comes back here, break and witness, we'll be entering a long, a mighty long here. I told you guys, our market broke strongly and we entered the long and we long mightily. Can you see? This is about 90 pips or so. So imagine all this kind of stuff. You have this for the whole of the week. Ama, if it's a good lot size, you are done for the week, guys. Aside from that, I also gave you another one. Which one was that again? Which one was that again? Which one was that? Which one was that? I think I gave you which one? Is it a UD card? Which one was that? Which one? Which one? Uh, I can't really recall again. I can't really recall. But I could still recall of those tools that I give. And more than like that. So you can watch the videos in the last few videos on the market outlook we did the previous one. So that you can of course get an insight into what we're doing here. More reason why you should listen to us and you should pay attention to whatever we do here and what we call market outlook because of what to help you to make predictions, to help you to determine how the market will move in the next following week. So today, let's go to today's class. My first pair for this new week is still Euro card. Remember last week I told you guys it's gonna be a long distance Euro card. Do not forget, I shorted this more than all of the week. 200, and this gave me a lot of money. Some of my account that were in drawdowns back to crazy profit. But right now I'm still willing to short again. I'm still going to short again, and then I actually shorted some here till this point because it was Friday, and I understand what it means for market to be on Friday. It means the closure of the market is coming to an end. So I took all my profit here and I was waiting for it to retest. While it was retesting, I added more positions, and I was more or less like I was entering afreshly. That is a calculated and a smart trader who understands how the market moves. Right now, I'm in little profit right now, and I believe the sell will go extensively and give me about 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. That's another money to make for the new week. Am I talking somebody? So this is a sell market, guys. If you just joining, just saying this, please. Once market opens, sell. Go and sell. You know what it means when I tell you that I'm already selling. I'm already entering the market. And when I told you I'm already selling, you know what it means, guys. So the sales is always massive, or the buy is always massive. Same thing I did over last 2 or 3 weeks when I saw that this trade I'm on it already. You know what it means, guys. It means that trade is gonna be a banger. So stop playing, guys. So let's do that together. That's my first. The second one for the week is USD. USD. The one for the week is USD card. USD card, yeah, USD card. Just a little bit before come down. I'm willing to still buy. I think I bought something around here, and I'm willing to still buy. I'm willing to still buy at this point. Just come down a bit. I'm willing to buy. I'm willing to buy AUD card, USD card rather. Come down a bit, so somewhere around here I will buy again. Let me put my stuff there. I'm willing to buy. I'm willing to buy there, guys. I'm willing to buy this market, guys. We are buying, we are buying, we are buying, guys. I'm buying. I'm buying this again. I'm gonna buy and this also around here. I'm gonna buy again. That's it. I'm gonna buy it again, guys. I'm gonna buy. So aside from that, I'm also looking for what NZD. I'm looking for what GBPJPY. Yeah, GBPJPY, GBPJPY. Let's go, guys. I want to buy this market as well. I think buy is what is going on. It's all along. Is what is going on in this new week. Buy. I'm looking for buy someone around here. No, someone around here. I'm going to buy someone around here. I need to buy someone around here. Yeah, I want to buy 7 and 1 year. But right now, this one is a raw buy. It's not a. It was market has not even shown any given, but the buy will take about Tuesday or Wednesday. So it not showed any given form of buy at all. Same thing to I think, same thing to this. Yeah, I'm ready to buy at this point. I think Joshua too as well. But right now, it's still a sell. If you keep selling, but the buy will be long, and I know me, I cash it long. Aha. I'm a swing trader, so I catch it long. I can give you up to 1,000 pips, give you up to 2,000, 5,000 pips. Remember last week we gave you about 20,000 pips on gold alone. So I am in for the longer pips. I love it to catch it longer. I might talk to somebody. So that is on that, guys. And then the next one I'll be looking for is AUD USD, AUD USD. AUDUSD, AUDUSD. This baby, I'm already shorting this baby already. You know what I'm already mean? I'm already shorting already. You know, I got my hand to 7 1 year and I'm already shorting. 7 1 year, I'm already shorting. So I'm expecting, I'm expectant in the market we should break this to break this. Whenever it comes back to this junction, I want to see the reaction. I want to see the price action. I want to see the candlesticks confirmations. But I'm hoping and I'm expecting, I'm of greater expectant that I should definitely break this. Because of what I'm seeing, because of the pattern I'm seeing. So I'm expecting that it breaks this and comes back to this point. So right now I'm already shorting. If you want to join me, you can join us in the short. I'm also shorting this on my account. So I believe it should come back to this point. Year or so around year. So I believe we should break this. We should break this. It's enough. We have about 3 bands already. So I remember I used to tell you whenever markets have the bands, the fourth band is critical what a breakout, a breakout band. This is the first band, second band, and this is the third one. So this is the fourth one that's coming out. So I expect it to break it out, to break it out. Once it breaks it out and we test under it, I will have more positions and I'll be hoping to hold it to the next cycle level. I'm going to talk to somebody. That is the fifth one. Also another one I'm looking for is what? Which one again? Which one again? Which one? Let me see. Which one am I looking forward to again? I'm looking forward to. Okay, I'm looking forward to this baby to sell. I'm not about to short, but right now this short is not matured actually. Not really. I want to sell someone around here. Yeah, it's not matured actually. It's not really matured. I want to short someone around here, but it's not really matured yet. So I want you to stay intact. Please stay connected. So that once some of this stuff matured, we can always get connected and send it to the group. In case you're not in our Telegram group, in our inner circle group, I want to urge you right now. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that you can always get notified whenever we drop signals or other stuff like that, and you can go and pick it and make money for yourself. Because I used to say this a lot, that the sky is too big for everyone to fly and make money. I might talk to somebody. So if you are not on our group, please look at the link below or ask for the link. Any of our support will send you the link so you can join us on the Telegram and always make money, and then you don't miss any of our updates and signals, daily signals updates again. So this one will take a while as well before you can short. And right now I'm not impressed with what I'm seeing. Though the short, the consolidation is coming already, the market is already investing and preparing for short, but right now it's not matured yet. I just know with what I can see. Yeah, with the candlesticks, with everything I can see, I just know that it's not matured yet, but it's quite preparing already for the short. But however, there's still a lot of things that will be happening, the buy and everything still happening right now. So that you can always get updated on whenever the market is set to move. You can join our Telegram, please. Look at the link in this video, in this around my bow, and join our Telegram group. It's free. We have VIPs for free as well. We have free signals as well. So you can join and let us do that together. And lastly, I would love to ask you, which other pair do you want me to review? Which other pair do you want me to review for the week? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me once again. And I wish you amazing and profitable week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.